The heat is on in the case of the missing cockfighters. NAPOLCOM is urging whistleblower alias Totoy to step up and file a formal complaint as cops are now in the hot seat. The Navy is also on standby to dive into Taal Lake once the DOJ gives the green light, while questions swirl about possible influence over the courts. As our Ryan Lesiges tells us more.
Dalangin talaga ako kay alias Totoy na sana i-file mo dito ang complaint mo para pagbigyan din rin ng pagkakataon ang mga pulis na ini-implicate mo na makasagot at para dito sa isang patas na pagpupulong sa NAPOLCOM magkaalaman na kung sila ay inosente o sila ay kailangan parusahan.
NAPOLCOM is now urging alias Totoy to formally file a complaint in relation to his new revelations, which implicate several police officers allegedly involved in the disappearance of around 100 cockfighters. According to NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson Attorney Rafael Vicente Calinisan, it would be better if alias Totoy submits an affidavit to NAPOLCOM so that an administrative investigation can proceed against the police officers he claims are involved in the case. The official stressed that they will not hesitate to dismiss from service any police officers who colluded to kill the victims and dump them in Taal Lake. He also said that if the new whistleblower fails to cooperate, NAPOLCOM is ready to stand as the complainant. NAPOLCOM will also strive to resolve the case within 60 days. Calinisan has already ordered the inspection, monitoring, and investigation service to conduct a motu proprio investigation.
Mas mababa po ang level ng ebidensya na kinakailangan para matanggal ang isang abusadong pulis. Kaya po, ito po ang ating panawagan. Kung meron man pong ebidensya na meron pong hawak ang kahit na sino man dyan, at ito po ay makakatulong sa pag-resolve ng kasong ito, tatanggapin po natin ito. Kasi mababa lang naman ang kinakailangan na ebidensya, substantial evidence lamang. Kapag ang pulis napakitaan ng kaso at na-meet na po yung substantial evidence, meron na pong kapangyarihan ang National Police Commission para tanggalin ang pulis na ito kung kinakailangan.
Calinisan also urged the complainant to file a formal complaint with NAPOLCOM to expedite the resolution of the case. Meanwhile, the divers of the Philippine Navy are ready and capable of searching for the allegedly missing cockfighters in Taal Lake. According to the Navy, the technical divers will come from their Naval Special Operations Command and Naval Combat Engineering Brigade, who are capable of diving up to 100 meters. However, Taal Lake is estimated to be up to 200 meters deep, which poses a challenge along with the weather conditions. Therefore, some equipment such as side scanners will also be used. For now, they are still awaiting the go signal from the Department of Justice.
Ngayon na wala pang official na request na nanggagaling sa Department of Justice ay hindi pa natin na-assess yung actual na dive site kasi hindi pa rin naman natin alam kung aling parte ng Taal Lake ang ida-dive. So doon po magbabase ang number of divers na ating i-deploy, ang equipment na ating gagamitin.
Meanwhile, the DOJ will speak with Supreme Court Chief Justice Alexander Hismundo regarding the case of the missing cockfighters. According to Justice Secretary Crispin Remulla, one of the accused in the missing cockfighters case mentioned that their mastermind could get away with the case because of influence in the courts. Ryan Lesiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.